Thanks, Matt and Alyssa. We are Tammy and Charlie Smith, and we're bringing to you Lesson 2, Establishing Healthy Eating Habits. Obviously, if you want results, then you're going to put the time, energy, and effort into achieving those. So a lot of people think that they already eat healthy, and that may or may not be the case, but now we have a tool that will help determine whether we need to help that person make modifications.
Yeah, guys, so our engagement piece for week number 2 is this bi-weekly adherence chart. Super simple to use. If you eat a meal that is compliant, you're going to put an X in the box. If you skip a meal, you're going to put a 0 in the box. And if you eat a meal that's not 100% compliant, then you're going to put a star in the box. So the goal is to not have more than 3 zeros or stars for any 1 week. If you can do this, if your client can do this, this will make sure that they're sticking to the program at least 90%. That will tell us as a coach that they are ready then to move on and make even more changes. So throughout the 8-week FIT journey, we should be receiving 3 of these from our customers. Guys, this is an awesome program. This is going to give us a snapshot of if our customers are establishing healthy eating habits. And let's now take a look at kind of what those healthy eating habits that we're going to be coaching our customers on look like. First off, we're going to start everybody with a breakfast. We know that starting your day with breakfast is what we need to do. Eating within 60 minutes of waking up is going to jumpstart your metabolism.
And from there on out, we need to make sure that people are eating 5 to 6 meals a day. And you can break it down into your large meals, the most obvious one, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then putting in a mid-morning snack, a mid-afternoon snack, and maybe even an evening snack. So 5 to 6 times a day, and those meals should contain a protein source in every single meal. Now, protein is kind of a difficult one, especially for women. I know. So we might need to pay attention to that when we're helping a person. Women need to get about 15 grams at a minimum each meal. Men, about 20. So if you see someone struggling with this, you might want to recommend Muscle Gain or Pro 20 to them. Your meals should also have a carbohydrate source. Do not fear that word carbohydrate. We need carbohydrates for energy. We want the good kind though, so make sure that they're focused on vegetables primarily.
Yes, and throughout the day, we need to be drinking water. Also, if you're exercising, which hopefully your clients are, we want to eat a small meal or a snack about 60 minutes before that workout. We're also, after the workout, going to have a meal or even better yet, have a protein shake like a post-workout 30 minutes after our workout.
Yeah, and those are all good points. There's also the obvious points, like we know how to coach people on the challenge and anything else that they're using, is not to eat junk. So we're avoiding fried foods, we're avoiding alcohol, we're avoiding just sugary, refined, really processed foods, because those aren't helping anyone. So one thing that we want to encourage and incentivize our customers with are reward meals. And notice, guys, that I said reward, not cheat. If you say cheat meals, I'm going to strongly encourage you to change that word choice. Because think about what that does to a person's mind. It sets them up for negativity. Cheat is associated with a lot of negative connotations. I know that personally, I think about cheating in school, you get kicked out of school, cheating on your spouse, that's not good. So those kind of things are not what we want in our language. Change it around, make it reward meal. And notice that I said meal, not day. We want to make sure that we are helping people prepare for reward meals and not binge eating and not setting them up for failure, so that we can prepare them just as we would to eat healthy.
Absolutely. So guys, we're now going to toss it over to Graham and Hillary Morgan, who are going to cover the 6 staple supplements.